Welcome to Pragmatic. Today we will see the interesting topic, that is subcontracting management. For subcontracting management, we need to select this particular in the manufacturing, in the configuration, settings. You need to select this subcontracting option. After that, selecting the particular option, what we needs to do, we need to go to the particular bill of materials. I create a new product, strawberry ice cream, and I provide the components. Here you see the BOM type, subcontract. If you select the subcontracting option, then the subcontractors field will be enabled. We need to provide the subcontractor details here. So there are subcontracting. There are two ways we are subcontracting our finished product. In which way? One is we have a machine, but it is fully today. So we are not able to produce that particular product is in our zone. So that is the reason we are subcontracting this particular production to another company. This is one way. Second way, some specialized machine is not in our zone. That is the reason we are subcontracting the particular production to another company. There are two ways. Okay. So we see the configuration, and another important configuration is in the inventory configuration, operation types. These two operations types should be enabled. One is subcontracting, another one is resupply subcontractor. Okay. And in the routes replenish on order MTO and resupply contractor, resupply subcontractor to order. So these are all the important configuration. And also in the particular product, here in the inventory, replenish on order MTO and buy. These two options we should enable. Okay, this is for the finished product. But in the bill of material components, if you see milk, we just properly configured. Here you see buy and resupply subcontractor on order. We should provide this properly configured. Okay. Even if buy I provided, but if not needed, only resupply contract on order. It's enough. Okay, done. So we are configured, everything is done. The next we go for a transaction. So one of the customer raise the order. We create a quotation. See how it works. Add a product. Strawberry ice cream. I need a 10 quantities. Save, confirm. Once you confirm, automatically one purchase will be created because we already enabled the MTO for this finished product. Okay. So normally in the MTO, even in the particular MTO, if you the particular product in your stock, then this will not be created. But for the subcontracting, it should be created as a purchase order. That is very, very important logic. Okay. I go to the purchase. Okay, I verified it and confirm. So the order is confirmed. Okay, once the order is confirmed, automatically one resupply entry will be created. Okay, so we just give the order, we outsource the particular particular production to one of the supplier Dina. Okay, done. I just go to the inventory. I play around the overview. You see, one to process. Resupply subcontractor on to process. I just go to the resupply subcontractor. Okay, just go to this. So once I validate, then what happened? The stock, the raw materials will be moved from our company location to subcontracting location. We are providing the materials from our location to contractor location. I just validate it. Okay, I done. I provide the materials, raw materials to the subcontractor location. I just go back here. It's done. So on to manufacture. So the materials are already moved to subcontracting location. Now they start the production. If they start the production, then what happened? Just click the start. Okay, the production is ongoing. We should think like that. Production is ongoing. They call them, I complete the production. If they are telling, just click the produce all. Then what happened? The stock movement will happen. So here you see all the raw materials are moving from subcontractor location to virtual location production because it starts the production. Raw materials are consumed. And you see the strawberry ice cream from the virtual location production to subcontracted. This means the particular product is ready. It's in ready state. Okay. Now I go back to the overview. So you think after they're ready, they are delivered to our warehouse or our location, company location. So we need to want to receive. So we receive the item, strawberry ice cream. It's a finished product. Receive the item. Okay. Then moves. So we are able to see the strawberry location moving from the particular subcontractor location to WH stock. Okay, done. What's the next? I need to go back to the overview. Now it's a receipt is done. We will receive one delivery order. Delivery order, we already create a sale order for this particular customer. So now only it's ready. Just to go to this and validate it. We deliver the product to the customer. So this is the way the subcontracting process will work. Thanks for watching.